Today I am going to tell you how to clean a microwave oven in just 5 minutes. Here is the before and after look of my microwave oven. I use lemon peel to clean my microwave oven. Fill half jug with water, lemon peel, baking soda and vinegar. Heat this solution in microwave for 5 minutes and then leave for more 5 minutes to form steam. Okay, so I will use this sponge to clean my microwave oven because it has one rough side and the other side is soft. If you do not have this sponge, you can use a clean piece of cloth and that would be equally fine. Switch off the button before you start cleaning. Remove the plate and the ring from the oven. Use the softer side of the sponge to clean the oven. You can see in the video that the grease is easily coming off. Dip the rough side of sponge in the water solution. A little bit of dishwashing solution. Use a slightly damp cloth to clean out the soap. Use the same water solution to clean the microwave plate. Share this hack with your friends and do let me know in the comment section if you like the video.